Hey brides, welcome back. This week I wanted to share with you how I made my wedding invitations with the help of my aunt. Don't forget to check the description box because I'll have all the websites I used and the supplies. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned. Okay guys, for this video you're going to need a computer and a printer, hot glue gun and glue stick, a pack of cardstock paper. This is cardstock, whatever color you want. And this pack of all-purpose cards from Micheals. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so to begin, I'm going to show you how I made my announcements. So I'm just going to go to my Internet Explorer. And right here, I went to canva.com, and basically you can search any template you want. I just put in wedding, and then these popped up. So I'm just going to click one. So this is actually the design I had chose. And you see right here on the side, they have other ones. And like say I wanted this one. If I click it, it's not going to try and save. Okay, so I'll just show you. I picked this one, right? And then you can just click on it and you can edit it. So even though mine says Julius and Jamila, I can easily erase that to say Mark or, you know, whatever names you want to put in there. And then down you can add, you know, whatever you want to put. You're invited to, whatever words you want, whatever font you want. You can change colors, you can change text size. So this is completely customizable. And then you'll just hit download. You'll download it, save it, and then you'll be able to print it. I guess I'll just walk you guys through the steps. So let's change that back to Jamila and Julius. Right? Then I'm going to click download. Save. Open. And then here it is. And then I would just hit print. Right? And then this is what it looks like on the paper. And I didn't put any details because this is just my trial run. So I'm just trying to see how everything looks together. But that's how I did that. And as far as this pack that I purchased from Micheals, originally I was going to use this for my RSVP cards, but then I saw a cute template on Etsy, so I went with that. But I'm going to use this for my detail cards instead. So with this, it tells you right here to go to micheals.com/celebrate.id.templates. So I already have it pulled up right here. Okay, and then right here it says find my template. Right there, you're going to enter the last 5 numbers right here. So I would enter 760161. Oops, let me try again. I said it wrong. It is 76016. Okay, and so then this is the template that they provide you. And since I don't have Microsoft Word, this isn't compatible with my computer, so I can't download it. So I can't, I mean, I can download it, but I can't see it. But that is okay, because I really just wanted the cards anyway. So let me hit save. Let me try and open it. I have Open Office instead of Microsoft Word. So this doesn't work with my computer, but that's okay because I found a way around that. And in order to be able to still use these cards, let me take it out the back so you guys can see. So this is what it looks like. So in order for me to still be able to print on this, I'll just go to my Open Office. And right along the side of the box, it actually tells me the dimensions of the papers. So I'll just go to Format, Page, and right here for the width, I'll just put 5.5 for the height. I'll put 4.25. And now change it to landscape. And that basically matches up. And so that's how I was able to print on these. Okay, so now that I have that printed out, we did our templates. So this is what I got from Etsy. I just went on Etsy and it was an instant download. I haven't, it is a PDF and it is customizable. I haven't done that yet. So basically I just downloaded, paid. It was $4. I paid, downloaded, and I printed. And it's from the seller. Oh, this isn't her. I'll have to find out the seller for you guys. So once you have everything printed, we're going to get started on actually putting everything together. So this is the card that my aunt sent me, and it started off just as cardstock paper, and she just folded it into sections. So this is the outside, and then this is the inside, and then this is just really what I just wanted to personalize and make it me. And she also, when she sent it to me, it was like this. But I like it like this. So that's how I'm going to make it today. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this cardstock paper that I got from Michaels. It was $1.49. And that's going to be my background color. So what I'm going to do first is just kind of cut it out. Now that I have my background done, I'm going to take my announcement and just cut it out. And right now it's too big, so I'm just going to trim it down a little bit. I want the background to show a little bit more on the sides, so I'm going to trim that also. Since I plan on taking this to Office Depot and letting them make copies, I'm going to take a piece of regular paper and I'm going to have 2 of my designs on there, or maybe 3 if I can fit them, and have them copy it like that so I can get double the prints and spend half the money. These are the sheets I ordered off Etsy, and what I like about them is that it's a postcard, so I'll be able to attach a stamp, fill in my address, and my guests will be able to just drop it in the mailbox once they fill out the information that is needed. So I really like that, and my goal is to have this back in a convenient time. And also I like the fact that she has the lines for me for where I'm supposed to cut. And make sure you check the description box because I do have the link, well, the name of her shop there. And this is the printable cards that I got from Michaels. And I'll just have all the specific details of my wedding on mine. And I'm just going to close it up, attach this cute little button my aunt made for me, and I'm done. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't be afraid to ask your family for help. My aunt was a great help with these invitations, and I'm so happy I reached out. So, see you next time.